Looking for an engaging Day of the Dead art project that your upper elementary or middle school students will love? How about a simple painting project that'll turn your hallway bulletin board into a masterpiece? Sounds amazing, right? To create these beautiful sugar skull designs, your students can use a roll a dice game, a you-pick worksheet, or even digital spinners to choose their facial features and decorations. And the best part? No need for fancy supplies. All you need is drawing paper, markers, and a thin paintbrush. Love the idea but short on time? No worries, I've got you covered. Sit back and relax while I teach your students how to play the roll-a-dice game as well as design their sugar skull step by step. I'll share plenty of tips and tricks to make drawing, coloring, and painting a breeze. This Day of the Dead art project includes a step-by-step demonstration video for your students, a printable handout perfect for substitute teachers, a PowerPoint that guides them through every step, and 2. Engaging writing prompts to tie everything together. Be sure to click on the preview button to see everything included. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.